Hi, I'm Yoko, and I made this cartoon in Flash 8. Looking for a free animation program because you're broke? Well, look no further. Macromedia Flash 8 is still alive, well, and somewhat functional. You see, I was cleaning out some files and I found Flash 8 on an old CD of all things. And I said to myself, why the heck not? Let's animate something in it. Can you believe Flash 8 works on modern day computers like Windows 11 or Linux? It's 25 years old. I remember downloading it from Adobe's website years ago when they were dumping the old Photoshop, Illustrator, and Macromedia Flash 8 files too. It was for a limited time, but to me, that was worth it. So before I get into this video, disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. If you want to download Flash 8 and you decide to search for it, please be careful of any viruses. Download from a safe, reputable website. I'm not responsible for the choices you make, but I will tell you, it's worth it. Now, that's out of the way, let's get ready for some interesting stories. First off, I'd like to say that Flash 8 is a wild ride of a program. I spent several hours animating and coloring that intro. Oh boy, it was fun and frustrating at the same time. Let me give you a list of things that were good and bad about the program. Basically a quick demo. The interface is very simple and easy to understand. I had fun feeling nostalgic and just going through the program. I could animate easily by adding those frames in and drawing right away. And you got your layers, your onion skin, toolbar, and adjustable options. But I did have issues with coloring and keeping the lines consistent. Ooh, that was painful. Look, it's annoying, okay? Look at that. Anyway, that's when you animate, you can turn your drawing into a movie clip or a graphic. And I believe in this version, graphics are more important when creating a puppet rig. And it stays at 300 DPI all the time. Like, you could zoom in forever and it doesn't pixelate. Isn't that crazy? You also got a library of your drawings on the right-hand side, and you can even add audio and scrub through it, just like this. Hi, I'm Yoko, and I made this cartoon in Flash 8. During the filming of this video, I went and rediscovered so much educational material for this program and free tools. The Flash community is crazy insane. They're something out of this world. I don't think you guys can fully understand. Like, they made Flash so easy for people to use and fun that they made tools for anyone and anything. Here's an example. If you search on YouTube Flash 8 tutorials, you'll get hundreds, if not thousands, of tutorials from beginning to advanced. I should say basic to advanced, but you understand what I'm saying. There is someone out there who created advanced tools, and it's advanced tools specifically for Flash 8 called Flash Power Tools. Now, Flash Power Tools gives you the ability to rig and pose your character. And the guy even created color and stroke management tools, character animation tools that are on par with some of our modern day animation programs like Toon Boom. And my mind was blown. Just check out this website. These tools are free, and he has... I'm going crazy. He's got tutorials, FAQs, and if you get stuck, he's still available for you to get help. I hope I'm making sense. I'm rambling. And the Newgrounds community, Oh man, without Newgrounds, I don't think indie animation would be in the place where it is today. Now, Newgrounds is still active, but if you use Flash 8, it's important to note that you need to export an MP4 video, right? And you can't export an MP4 video in Flash 8. You'll need a program called Swivel. So I'm gonna leave Swivel in the description below. It's primarily for Windows because Mac hates Flash in any way, shape, or form. Any SWF file can't be read on a Mac, from what I understand. And Swivel is the best solution for converting your Adobe Flash movies into high-definition videos. So it's a must when you download this program. God, I was gonna make a pros and cons segment because jumping into the program, as you can see here, seemed awkward. I had complained about the brushes so much, but I ended up just having fun. But when I was going through and looking up tutorials, I remembered guys like Jessie Jones, the legendary Becker, who's still making stick figure videos to this day. Didn't know his community blew up even more. Weebl stuff with the famous Badger, Homestar Runner, which still uploads videos to this day, and Drawing with Jazza, whom I love. And if it weren't for him, I wouldn't have truly understood Flash as a whole without his teachings. And last but not least, a surprise for all of us, and you guys aren't going to believe this: the My Little Pony Brony community. Yes, the MLP community went in, broke down the animations for these ponies, and helped me understand the functionality of these horses. This is a crazy journey. So, if you guys want to check out their pages, I also left their information in the description below. If you want to start animating right away with a drawing tablet on your computer, you should try and play with Flash 8. It's a little clunky, but you can take the time and put in add-ons and make a full production cartoon. Heck, look at Jaden Animations and Odd Ones Out and the most famous YouTubers of all. Anyway, that's it for this video. Share this with your friends, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.